It's already a look. It's already a look. Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Nyasha, also known as Benjaminsways. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, excuse me, I'm not gonna edit that out. If you haven't already, please subscribe. How are you doing? How is everybody? I am doing very well. I'm actually been filming a lot today, so I'm actually filming my second look. That's why I already have like most of this makeup. You probably will recognize it from a previous video, the eyebrows anyway. However, for now, I'm just going to do a nice cute summery eyeshadow look. Basically just showing you how I do my eyeshadow, so that if you want to learn how to do it for yourself, you can watch ahead and see the easy steps that you can do to achieve a nice eyeshadow coverage. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using 3 of the Revolution palette. So I'm going to be using the Deep Dive palette, specifically these for these two bluey color, this green color and this blue color here. And then I am also going to be using the iconic division palette. I don't know why I did it that way. I should have just done it this way so that I can see the name as I tell you guys, but hey ho, I'm using the iconic division palette. I'll be using mainly this mustard color. This mustard color is very good for when I do my yellows, because it's a good base for a yellow color. And on top of that, I will apply this really bright nice yellow. I'll also be using this green here as well. This is in the Euphoria palette. These are all Revolution reloaded palettes. They're very cheap, very easily accessible in the UK. So yeah, you should be able to get yourself some if they're still on the market. I got this late last year, so yeah, I'm still using it. Not late last year, early last year, but yeah, they're still good, so why not? Anyway, so we're gonna get into it. I will also be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Actually, I will be using the white, or it's called the Roma Zero P. Louise eyeshadow base, because when I'm doing colorful looks, it just brings the color out more when I use a white base. So that's what I'll be using. For this video, it's just solely focused on eyeshadow tutorial, so I might go ahead and do both eyes so that you guys can see how I do both eyes. So I will do one eye first and then I'll do the other, because when I'm doing colorful looks, it's just easier to go off the other that's already completed, because the process can be quite hit and miss sometimes. So I will start with this eye and then I will do it on this eye so that you guys can see the full process of how I achieve my eyeshadow tutorial, my eyeshadow looks. So yeah, let's get into it. Make sure your eyeshadow base is blended out, because any sharp marks will show in the eyeshadow, like as a shadow. So you have one patch where it looks like it's a lot of eyeshadow, but it's actually the eyeshadow base that's just sticking out there, that's not blended out properly. I'm quite happy with that blend out actually. Since I'm starting out with the yellow color, I'm gonna start with this mustard shade that I spoke about. Actually, I'm just not going to be showing the colors as you've already seen them, so I'm gonna start with the mustard shade. So just take this brush, because it's really good to get into the corner of the eye. Then I just Just slightly blending out as I go with this brush. Again, it's very good for that. And then I'm just going to use the blending side and just blend out the mustard color. I then take the yellow color, the actual bright yellow color, and then I just as you can see, the yellow rests so nicely on the mustard. I really recommend that you do that, especially if you are dark skin, because if you apply the yellow on its own, it will be very opaque and it will not come out as rich as it is coming out right now. Just apply this in the middle of the eye and then blend it into this other color afterwards. Make sure you apply first and then blend out after. Don't apply and blend. And then, like the mustard and the yellow, we apply a little bit here, the blending side of the brush. It's already a look. It's already a look. I then go in with a lighter green color on top of this so that it brightens, because we're going for a bright color look. Again, don't worry about blending out, you'll blend out afterwards. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the and then, as we did with all the base colors, you blend it out. And I go in with a lighter blue color. Ooh, that's such a nice color. Such a pretty color. Okay, now that we've layered our colors, now it's time to blend them in. So just cleaning my brush with my tights. So for the yellow color, I'm going to blend it into the green nicely. So I'm gonna take a mixture of the green and the yellow and then just go where they meet and blend them out. Where the green and the blue meets, I'm going to do the same. Mix a bit of green and mix a bit of green and mix a bit of blue, and then blend it out as well. And I'm taking the blue and just blending out the blue. This is the light blue. And just blend it out. Then I take the light yellow, or green, not yellow, and then I just blend out the top of the green color. And I take some of the yellow color and then I just blend out the yellow bit as well. This brush is clean brush. It's discolored but it's clean. Use a clean brush, otherwise you have different colors mixing up. Literally, that is it, you guys. This is it. Like, it was so quick. It happened so quickly. It took how long? Oh, it took 11 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this look in two parts. So anyway, this is the completed eyeshadow look. That's how you do a simple colorful eyeshadow. Or if you're dark skin, always use a light, the lightest best you can for the colors, because unless if you're really good at color blending, some of the colors come out really opaque, or they don't really bring out the color unless if you have a grounded clear white base. So a white eyeshadow base is your best friend for any colorful looks. Secondly, I'm going to do eyeliner and I'm going to do an lash tutorial with this look. So come back next week for the completion of this look and see how it ends. But for now, I'm going to stop there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me. I'm really glad that you could come back again and learn from me. Well, we're all learning together really. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please leave them below, or you can contact me on my Instagram, which is Benjaminsways as well. And I can give you any tips or tricks there as well, because I'm always online there. But so yeah, thank you for watching, and you guys take care. See you next time. Bye guys.